Hey everyone! What if I told you that making people laugh and earning from it could start with a random idea and one smart AI tool? With Filmora 14's new AI feature, you can turn your wildest, funniest thoughts into a fully edited, monetizable video without touching complex software. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, from typing your idea to generating visuals, voiceovers, and sound effects, and uploading directly to YouTube or TikTok. Let's get started. Every viral short video starts with an idea. Usually that means hours of scripting, editing, finding actors, or recording scenes manually. But with Filmora 14 AI, that entire process, storyline, visuals, sound, editing, happens with one click in under 2 minutes. First, download the latest version of Filmora 14 AI on your PC or mobile. The link's in the description and pinned comment. It's super simple to install, and you'll be up and running in minutes. Once you're inside Filmora, click on the toolbox from the left-hand panel, then head to New Features and choose AI Idea to Video. Now comes the fun part, your idea. Let's type this viral-style prompt. A guy tries to quietly eat chips during an online class, but ends up triggering everyone's mics with the crunch. It's relatable, funny, and super trending. Perfect for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Now choose a few things. Language, English, US. Duration, 20 to 30 seconds. Ideal for comedy shorts. Style, choose comic or realistic for this one. I'll pick comic for a cartoon vibe. Click Launch AI Script, and in seconds, Filmora will turn your idea into a fully written short scene, broken into moments. Want to change the pacing, dialogue, or tone? You can, but honestly, Filmora nails it most of the time. Once the script is ready, click Generate All Scenes Images. Filmora will automatically create all the visuals, custom scenes, angles, and styles that fit your story. Then, click on the Character tab. Filmora identifies the characters in your prompt and generates them instantly. You can regenerate if you want a funnier face, or even upload your own to turn yourself into the main character. Now time to bring it to life. Choose your aspect ratio, 9:16 for TikTok, Reels, Shorts, 16:9 for YouTube, or horizontal formats. Then, let AI do the rest. Voiceover, auto-generated, background music, done. Comedic sound effects like chip crunches, glitchy mic noise, or awkward silences, Filmora adds them automatically. Click Generate Video and wait just a minute or two. Your funny video is ready to go.
Jake decides to snack during his online class. The crunching sound causes chaos in the virtual class. Jake becomes the center of attention. Jake apologizes, and everyone laughs. The class resumes with a lighter mood. Jake's chip crunch becomes a memorable moment.
After previewing your video, click Export. You'll get 2 choices. Device, to save locally social media. To upload directly, select YouTube, log into your channel, and fill in the title, description, tags, and thumbnail. You can even schedule your post or publish it instantly. Use Filmora's AI Publish Time Detector to upload when your audience is most active. Even your thumbnail can be generated by AI, or you can pick from dozens of category-specific templates. Now that your comedy short is live, link a product, course, or even your merch. Build a brand around your funny content and land sponsorships with AI. You can create more videos more consistently, and that means more views, more growth, and more income. Let's recap. Start with a funny, relatable idea. Filmora's AI turns it into a viral-ready video. Customize visuals, voices, sound effects. Upload directly to YouTube or TikTok. Monetize and grow your brand. It's that simple. So, are you ready to make people laugh and get paid for it? Download Filmora from the link below and start creating today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I'm ready to go viral with AI. See you in the next one.